Hey everyone, Dan with MarineMax out of Nisswa, Minnesota. Just gonna walk you guys through a 2025 Premier. This is a 230 Solaris. Coming aboard here, you'll notice this is the RFDL. So we got the dinette lounge chairs in the front, and right across we have the bench. This is the all-new Nightfall Cool Touch interior, keeping you comfortable out on the water. Coming up to the captain's helm, you'll see the Solaris Tech package, DTS throttle, accompanied by dual SIMRAD, wireless phone charging, power canopy, which is standard feature, rear-facing back bench seats with the quilt pattern, deep cup holders, and this is powered by a 250 Mercury ricochet ladder, and much more. Come on in to Nisswa MarineMax and take a look at it for yourself.